derivation of the third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Consider a particle beginning its motion with initial velocity u and acceleration is a, final velocity is v, the displacement is s. Now, we need to relate these three and derive the third equation of motion. Let us see how to do that one. Now, to do this one, let us recall that slope is equal to acceleration, but slope is v minus u divided by t. So, a, therefore, we have v is equal to u plus at, that is our first equation of motion. Now, the second equation of motion is obtained from area. So, area is equal to displacement and therefore, displacement is equal to ut plus half at square. Now, we need to eliminate the value of t from these two equations. So, let us do that. S is equal to u into, I am taking this equation here, in the place of t, I am going to write t is equal to v minus u divided by a. So, v minus u divided by a plus half a, t is v minus u divided by a whole square. Further simplification, this is equal to uv minus u square plus one set of a appears in the denominator, you may notice that v square minus u square, that is plus u square minus 2as whole divided by 2a. Let us cross multiply, we will have 2as is equal to 2, there is one a here of course. So, now what do we have? This is going to be 2 uv. So, I have already taken this one. So, 2 uv and minus 2u square plus v square plus u square minus 2 u, that is uv, this is uv. So, this and this cancel and what do we have now? 2as is equal to u square minus 2u square minus u square plus v square, or v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So, the third equation of motion which relates the initial velocity to final velocity through the distance travelled or displacement is given by v square is equal to u square plus 2as.